Hello, Reverend Timothy Jones here. I want to let you know that 80% of all people grow up affected by dental fear. It usually was imprinted on them when they were very young, before pubescence, when they first went to the dentist. Of all those people, it's estimated that 50% don't go to the dentist nowadays unless the pain they think they're going to get in the dental office overcomes the pain they're actually feeling. So during this seminar, what we're going to do is identify the differences between dental anxiety, fear, and phobia, and how to measure them to your client's advantage. We're going to talk about the inherent precautions of pain removal while enhancing and accelerating the client's natural self-healing abilities. We're going to talk about how to approach the dental practitioner, and how to have their front office work for you for referrals. And the most effective ways to advertise your services are pretty easy. We're going to talk how to easily generate referrals from your clients. Once you show them how things can be so great in the dental office because they can just float off to the beach, they'll keep on coming back to you for other things. So listen, come on in and I'll see you inside the course. Take care.